भाई 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 आगू पर आगू पर
With salutation to a towering personality, concern for the oppressed human beings from all over the world in need of compassion, the management of KISS Bhubaneswar unanimously resolves to confer on you the KISS Humanitarian Award 2017 on this day, the 21st November 2017.
Now here, people, trouble area, less privileged, right? Less privileged. So, 7 billion human beings, mentally, emotionally, physically, same. Within same human brothers, sisters, making some distinction. Some are a little bit sort of also the better position, some are sort of lower. And now in this country, so-called caste system, outdated, totally wrong, old way of thinking. Similarly, some kind of look down or negligence about Khalsa Chukti, Khalsa, the rural, underprivileged people. That's totally wrong. I think I myself come from a very small village. I think, and my family also quite ordinary farmer. So, unprivileged family, right? Unprivileged family. So, of course, my name also makes little differences, but mainly my own effort. I have self-confidence. So you also, mainly, you should keep self-confidence. We are same human being. Little differences in the society is secondary, not important. Important is all of us, all us, right? All of us, same human being, same brain. One occasion in Australia, South Africa, Soweto town, I met some native black African. Then I told, now you already have democratic constitution. So you have sort of same opportunity with white people, like white people. Now you must work hard with self-confidence. I mentioned to him. Then his answer, oh, black African, brain level inferior. We cannot compete with white people. I really shocked, and I argue with him. If we go together, the brain specialist asks any differences in brain due to color, the brain specialist, they definitely say no differences. So therefore, I argue with him, that kind of mental attitude is totally wrong. No scientific basis. We are same. So you should keep, I told him, you should keep sort of self-confidence. Then work hard. So here in this country also, some cases, people come from poorer section of the society, some kind of, sense of inferiority. That's totally wrong. Then, so please think, 7 billion human beings are same. Within the country, over 1 billion Indian, you all South Indian, East Indian, North Indian, West Indian, Central Indian, all same. So you should keep self-confidence. With that, hard work. Of course, during summer, too hot, in daytime you may need some rest. But basically you should be hard working. You should not be a little bit lazy, should not do that.
मेरा नाम बबीता सोवर है। मैं +2 फर्स्ट ईयर साइंस का स्टूडेंट। जो हमारा किस कैंपस में दलाई लामा आया था, उसको देखकर मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। जैसे कि उसको देखने के मेरा बहुत बड़ा भाग्य है जो मैं किस कैंपस में पढ़ाई करती हूँ।
मेरा नाम मिन्नत नायक है और हमारी कॉलेज में एक कि किस कैंपस में आए थे दलाई लामा, और हमको अच्छा लगा कि वो बुद्ध धर्म की राक्षस है।
मेरा नाम टुकना अमेरिका है। तो गुरुजी हमको जो मिला है दलाई लामा, तो हम बहुत खुशी है। हमारा किस क्या है, हम कभी भी ऐसा मतलब चांस मतलब मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, मतलब हाँ पता नहीं था, लेकिन मिला है, इसीलिए हम लोग सब लोग बहुत खुशी है।
Myself, Ringsun Surungsa, today is our great day to catch His Holiness Dalai Lama. We extremely feel great on this occasion, and we thank you all on behalf of the university. Thank you.